Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram old message not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on Instagram apps. Now tap on message. Look here, Instagram old messages are not showing. So let's fix this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and tap on Instagram apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now go back and tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Search icon, now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and go to your Instagram apps. Now tap on message. I hope your problem is solved. If not, then follow my next step. Now give a screenshot. Now go back and tap on profile icon. And tap on 3 dot icon. Scroll down, now tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. And tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Now type your problem here and select your screenshot. Now tap your upload and select your screenshot. Now tap your send. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.